Welcome, here I've got Google Pixel 5 and I'm gonna show you how to change volume button function in the camera app at this device. Let's start by tapping on the camera button to open it, and for now we are on the standard camera mode. The volume buttons at this device are here from right, so let me try to use them to see how they work with the camera. And as you can see, by tapping on them I can easily take a picture. To change its function, let's go to the top at the center. When we pick this button we get access to more options about the camera we can manage. Now we have to tap on this button from the right to open the camera settings. And here let's pick the gestures. And now we have access to volume key action, so when we tap on it we can decide to use our volume buttons as shutter, which is now zoom, volume, or just turn them off. For now let me change them to zoom to show you how it works different, and let's move back to the camera. Now let me try to use volume buttons once again. And as you can see, I can easily get closer to my subject and also go back, so I can use volume keys as zoom. And that's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.